Need to change your Gmail password? Here's a quick guide for 2025. First, open Gmail on your computer or mobile device. Click on your profile icon in the top right corner and select Manage your Google account. Next, in your Google account settings, go to the Security tab from the menu on the left. Under the Signing into Google section, click on Password. You'll be asked to enter your current password for security. Once you've done that, enter your new password. Make sure it's strong. Use a mix of uppercase, lowercase letters, numbers, and symbols. Confirm the new password and click Change Password. That's it. Your Gmail password has been updated. Make sure to use your new password the next time you sign in.